Now that we, as the operator, know that we have a pending service request, we want to respond to it. In our case, we want to accept it so that we can test running our blueprint. To do that, we'll use the accept command. So let's take a look at the help page. Once again, we see some familiar options for the accept request command. Like usual, we'll omit the WebSocket URL since the default is correct. Again, we'll use the defaults for the minimum and maximum exposure percentages. The key store, this time, since we're accepting the request, will be the operator's key store, which is test key store, Alice's key store. For the restaking percent, we'll use the default here as well, which is 50. Finally, the request ID will be the request ID that we got from the output from listing the requests, which is, in this case, 0. So let's actually run the command. We'll copy it from the output here and run it. And we see that we successfully approved the service request.